Come with me, baby.
Welcome back, guys, on my YouTube channel. Today I'm in company of my beautiful Galia, and this will be a tutorial because this has been something that I have been asked really a lot. We have the OEM seat of the Husqvarna 701 2026 model, and today Galia will show you how to remove the seat cover. Then we will go at Selle dalla Valle, and Bobo will show you exactly how to professionally put on the cover, because what happens is that we've seen many times that seat covers are not placed correctly, and sometimes, for example, you see the camel humps, sometimes we have seen people have the seat cover shifted maybe to one side, and that's a problem of installation because the seat cover is cut, the material, the quick dry leather is cut from a digital file, from a template with a plotter. It can't go wrong, it can't do it more to one side than another side. Then the sewing is done handmade, and you know, all the features of the seat covers, quick dry leather, same comfort as Alcantara, the camel humps with the memory foam section behind. On some seat covers we also have the carbon on the side. But now, with no further ado, Galia will show you how to correctly remove the cover, as it's fundamental before you apply it.
You need only these two tools.
Now, installing a seat cover may seem like an easy job, and it is an easy job if you know how to do it. Personally, I'm here with Bobo because he's the real expert and he does all the installation of my seat covers, and he'll show you the exact process to do it correctly. And my advice for you is to always go to a professional if you have never done this job before. We already removed the seat cover. First step now is to heat it in case it's very cold, because this material, when it's heated, it's a bit more flexible, and we'll need to really pull the seat cover in order to avoid any wrinkles on the seat. Now Bobo is heating up the seat cover. You can even just leave it out in the sun or use a heat gun. This is in case it's cold weather. In the summer, you don't need to do this. Always start from the top part of the seat, and in case it has the elastic band, like in this case is a KTM 690 seat, go all the way to the back and then start putting it underneath in the middle, and that's where we will need to put the first clips. Now, once you've put in position and fixed the central part of the seat, the job will become much easier. You'll just need to really stretch and adjust the Selle dalla Valle logo. It depends on how you stretch the seat, since if you are used to do it, you'll be able to place it in the correct position. If you don't have much experience, it could be that you'll have the logo more on one side than on the other and not really centered. That's not the seat cover, because the seat cover is cut from a template. It's you that probably installed it a bit slightly sideways. Many times I get asked how to install the time card pocket and why it's not already installed on the seat cover. The reason for this is that this specific material is a quick dry leather and it doesn't have water going through it, meaning the foam will never get wet. If this was sewed on the cover, that would mean that the water would penetrate and get your foam wet. For this reason, we use super glue in order to place the time card pocket only once the seat cover is installed, also because that's the only way you'll be able to perfectly center it. Don't put too much excess of glue or it will come out once you place it on the cover. Press it for a bit and then usually let it stay for at least 24 hours before using the seat on your bike. Now you saw how easy and quick it is if you have Roberto's experience. If not, it's gonna take a little bit more and you'll need to be more cautious. It's incredible how precise even all the pins are placed at the speed he did the seat cover. One very important thing, there are many seat covers on the market, but there's a huge difference you don't see in the photos that you just feel it when you touch a seat cover, and that's why this cover is able to really wrap around so well and precisely the seats. If you go for low quality seat covers, it's gonna be really difficult to install them, and in most cases installing them you might even break them. So always choose top quality materials. This is also why most factory teams decide to go with Selle dalla Valle, because they're the top in the business, and as you know, I also use them at Dakar on my Dakar bikes. Thanks a lot to Roberto for showing us how to do the seat cover installation properly today. Here are a 2026 Husqvarna 701 seat and a 2026 KTM 690 on which we placed even the time card pocket. Now, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video, if it was useful and if you knew what was the process to install seat covers. Leave a like and be sure also to subscribe and follow Selle dalla Valle on Instagram and also clearly my channel. I'll see you in the next one, and soon new builds coming up. Ciao!